Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
We bought a 184-year-old colonial and it needs a lot of love. So we started with the living room. Bear with me, when we started a couple of these projects, I didn't think of turning it into a YouTube video. I'll get better. This is the before. We decided to start here because it came with brand new hardwood floors. Like, look at those wide planks, so nice. As you can see, it has very outdated wallpaper that is slowly coming off, so we started tearing it all down. It was actually kind of fun and satisfying, especially when it all came off in one piece. And then there's Alex, of course. Do your thing. Not all of it came off in one go, so we had to use a water and vinegar solution to peel back like the teeny little pieces. Behind the wallpaper was plaster. We saw a moldy section, so we took care of that accordingly and made the decision to put up sheetrock. After we got all the sheetrock up, then it came the tedious joint compound and sanding. This has to be my least favorite part. We put in new outlets and Alex's mom got a little frustrated with the setup. But we got it. We then noticed that the placement of the sheetrock made it kind of sit weird on the baseboards and the ceiling. So we made many trips. When I say many, I mean many trips to Home Depot. If you do renovation projects, you know that you never just go once. It just takes up so much time. But enjoy this crazy video of Alex's mom and I driving at night with trim hanging out the window. Don't come after us for not having a flag on it. We added the extra trim to the existing baseboards and some flat molding to the top. For the paint colors, I chose Cotton Blossom for the trim, doors, fireplace mantle, and ceiling. And for the wall, I chose Cottage White. I was going for a light and airy feel. In between all of this, we tried to get the door hinges off. It required a lot of paint remover and coke, but you are now kind of able to see that there are flowers and a sun on there, but we tried our best, okay? And onto the fireplace. Again, I didn't get much footage, and I definitely regret not getting the footage for this. So the brick was really old, so we decided to frame it with tile. I chose this tile because it has a variety of color, and the yellow kind of goes with the bright natural wood floors and the cream color that we put on the walls. We cut the tile accordingly and spread the mortar. We placed the tile on the mortar and taped it to the mantle so it wouldn't slide off. We waited the recommended time, grout the tile, and this is how it turned out. We didn't bother to do the inside because eventually we're going to put a wood burning stove in there. I slowly but surely added furniture, and I love how it all came together. It took many sleepless nights, but it was worth it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.